Paolo Pavesio will assume the role of Managing Director of YMR as of the 1st of January 2025. Mr. Pavesio will succeed Lynn Jarvis, who will step down from the role at the end of 2024 after a 26-year tenure. Formerly Director of Marketing and Motorsport at Yamaha Motor Europe, Paolo Pavesio led the restructuring of YME operations around marketing and motorsport during his 11 years with the company. Under his direction, a restructured motorsport division secured World Championship titles in World SBK, EWC, and MXGP. Lynn Jarvis was appointed Managing Director at YMR in 1999 and has been responsible for leading Yamaha to 8 rider, 6 constructor and 7 team MotoGP World Championship titles. Mr. Jarvis will step down as Managing Director on the 31st of December 2024 but will continue to support YMR as a senior advisor. Both personally and on behalf of Yamaha, I would like to thank Lynn for his dedication and achievements over the past 26 years. His commitment, diligence, and leadership have been instrumental in Yamaha's success in MotoGP, and I am happy that we will still have access to his knowledge and experience going forward. Lynn will be succeeded as Managing Director by Paolo Pavesio, who brings to the role a wealth of experience gained at Yamaha Motor Europe where, as Marketing and Motorsport Director, he guided Yamaha teams to World Championship titles in World SBK, EWC, and MXGP. I look forward to welcoming Paolo to Yamaha Motor Racing in January and, under his leadership, I am confident that Yamaha can secure the future success in MotoGP that we are all striving for. Takahiro Sumi, GM Motorsports Development Division, Yamaha Motor Company, commented. The Portuguese MotoGP star Miguel Oliveira will be joining the Prima Pramac Yamaha factory team for the 2025-26 MotoGP seasons. The number 88 is in his 6th year in the MotoGP class and his 14th year in the paddock. The vastly experienced 29-year-old has many premier class and lower class achievements to his name, including 17 race wins, 5 times in MotoGP, 6 times in Moto2, and 6 times in Moto3, and 41 podiums, 7 times in MotoGP, 21 times in Moto2, 13 times in Moto3, and a MotoGP sprint podium at the Sachsenring this year. For 2025-26, Yamaha as well as MotoGP fans can look forward to Oliveira's run on a new bike, the factory Yamaha YZR-M1. Moreover, he will enjoy the full support of Yamaha. Ahead of Misano GP, Oliveira talked about this announcement. It's a great privilege for me to represent such an iconic brand in our sport as Yamaha. Through my years of progression and arriving in MotoGP, I've always looked upon the blue bikes with great enthusiasm. It's now a reality, and I want to thank Yamaha Motor Company for its commitment to me in such an important transition phase of the project. Mr. Lynn Jarvis was a key figure in starting discussions and making this happen. I believe I can be useful in this transition period of bringing the bike back to the top. I want to thank Mr. Campinotti, Gino Borsoi, and all the Pramac staff for embarking on this journey together. I can't be happier and more excited to get this new chapter started. We are pleased to announce that a professional and experienced rider like Miguel Oliveira is joining the Yamaha lineup for 2025-26, and we bid him a warm welcome to the Yamaha MotoGP project. Miguel is a rider who has the technical know-how, experience, speed, and precision needed to improve the performance of the Yamaha YZR-M1. We are really looking forward to working with him as a key member of the Yamaha MotoGP project, and he can count on our full support, Lynn Jarvis, Managing Director of Yamaha Motor Racing, said.